Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Julie with Bookshelf by Julie. We're going to work in Julie's journal again today. This has been so fun. For me, it has. I hope it's fun for you guys. So today we're going to do, let me find our page. We did that. It was so fun. If you haven't seen that, go back and watch that one. It's really fun. I'll find it in a minute. That is such a cute story. You guys should read that for sure. This is, let's see. Okay, all I did for this was I cut them out, rounded my corners, and backed them on file folder, and just punched the hole out. I didn't put anything in there. You can use twine or just whatever you want to use. It's a simple craft, okay? So that's all I did for that one. We're doing a combo video today, okay? So we did that one, or I did that one. We're going to do this one today. It's a 2-pager, and I'm going to show you this one. I mean, it's simple. You cut the cards out, fold them in half, right? If you've got the digital, cut them out and print them with the background page here, and that way you got a nice place to write. Okay, so let me move this to the side and I'll show you those cards. All I did was fold them in half, and then you've got a nice place to write a whatever message just a little note. You know, it's a note card. So you've got 4 of them, and you've got 4 envelopes. These envelopes are big enough to put a gift card in, so you can put a gift card in with your little note and stick them in your envelope, right? Super simple. Now, another thing I was thinking about with these envelopes is, wouldn't that make a cute little mini journal? Put them together like we do our envelope journals, and make a little mini. It's cute. I might have to do something like that in the future. Okay, there's that one. Now, we've got that done. Let's see. Go back to our card. So, like I said, it's a 2-pager. You need this one and this one. And you've got these fussy cuts. Well, you've got these fussy cuts in the fussy cut kit. You've got 2 of these each, because you have one set on each page. Then you've got your mats and all that, right? So that's what we're doing today. I've got this little prototype. Now this one I just cut out of the page. In the fussy cut kit, you've got some that look like this, and I thought, oh, I rounded my corners down here because I didn't realize when I cut them out with the Cricut that it kind of looked like a tombstone. So you can cut it out any which way you want, but I rounded my corners on mine. Just saying. So now you've got your mat for the inside, and your, it's just a simple, easy craft along. And your envelope will go with that, right? You've got an envelope in there for it. Okay. It fits in there just perfect, too, which was the plan. I try to get all the, the measurements and everything right. Sometimes, it works out, sometimes it don't. But yeah, okay. So, simple and easy. All we're going to do is fold this in half. Now, it is backside printed. It's hard to tell because the background paper on this kit is very light. But yeah, it is backside printed. So you have that inside. You don't have to print it on the back. If you don't want to waste your ink or use your ink, we'll just put use your ink. You can just leave it white inside. Nothing wrong with that at all, really. Okay, so one of our mats goes inside. One of them goes on this and goes on here, right? All right, let's do that. I've got my tape on here already, because, yeah. Did I ink these? I did not ink these. Oh, you know, best laid plans of, you know, the crafters. It's a thing, right? I do want to ink it a little bit, so let me do a quick little inking. Just a little bit to give it that little bit of a definition, finished edge look, you know. I won't drop it. I won't drop it this way, for sure. It's on there. Okay, now, ugh. See about this. I don't know if I haven't used this today, so we'll see. Oh, it's stopped up. Let us get a solution, shall we? I didn't bring my little glue press thingy back here to the office, to the craft room, whatever we want to call this room. Okay, let's see if that did it. Okay, that's really stopped up. All right, I'm gonna go get my little glue press thingy and I'll be right back. Hold on a sec. Okay, we're back. And I have a better solution, so it works. So we get this on there, then we just, this is such an easy one to do. So you have plenty of things to work with, and it comes out so cute. It can be a card for just saying hi, or excuse my reach. Could be a happy birthday. There's lots and lots of freebies to go in that line of things, because I got a bunch of birthday cards that you can do, right? Okay, let's get this one on there. While I had the camera off, I went ahead and inked, so it works. Because you guys don't know how long I was gone. I wasn't gone very long, just saying. It's a thing. But yeah. Had some overlap with my tape, so let me do that number. And we'll get this on there. I guess that's another positive for this glue press. It doesn't really get stopped up like the little bottles and stuff, because it's got a silicone piece down in the where you put the nozzle. Yeah, it's just and that kind of keeps it. Now it does get gloppy. I mean, you know, what the heck. And sometimes you pull it up and there's a fair bit of stuff on the end, but it's not stopped up. So that's a positive, right? I'm trying to think of positives. I mean, I do like the thing. The thing I don't like is, as I said before, it costs so much. So I'll probably be griping about that for days and years and stuff. I don't know. I'm just that way. It just, if it costs so much, you feel a little bit ripped. I'm using it. I like it. I like a lot of things about it. At first I thought, well, I'm not going to like that because it's got this thing, you know, kind of like a glue gun, you know, and so it keeps you from getting into all the little places, but really it doesn't. You just move things around and it works. So we've got this part we're going to put here. I'm just going to center this in here because we're going to put our other stuff on it and it'll be cute, right? Okay. Get this off. But yeah, I like it. I just don't like that it costs so much. you'll just get tired of me saying that, but yeah. But it does get into the little intricate places and stuff that we have to do. It comes with 2 different tips, nozzles, whatever you want to call that. It comes with 2 of them so that you can have one that puts out a bunch of glue or just a little bit. I didn't particularly like the one that put out a bunch of glue. That's too much, you know. And the glue I use is a little pricey, so I don't want to waste, you know, and have it running all over the place. So, just saying. There I go again with the, it costs too much. So, I use the fine tip nozzle. And I don't have any problems with it. It does what I want it to do. If you want more glue to come out, you just squeeze it a little harder. But yeah, you don't want to have it gloppy, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's do this. Get that out of the way. Okay, put that away. I'm just trying to clear some clutter here. All this stuff kind of, you know, gets in the way. I don't know, I want to have that there. Okay, let's put these. I'm going to put the Hello Fall last because, you know, you want to kind of put it between the pieces, right? So I'm going to put the little turkey down here. It could be a Happy Thanksgiving card, right? Or whatever you want it to be. You can make it say whatever. You can write in there, you know. So just saying. Yeah. It's just a little fun card to make. It can be an element in a journal. If you're doing an autumn or Thanksgiving type journal, yep, it can be in that kind of thing. Now, I'm not going to sit it right on the end of that. I want it to be a little, I don't know, offset. Gives it a little dimension to do that. So his feet are down below here, and his tail is over here, so there you go. Okay. This takes a minute, just saying, to get all the little leaves, because I don't want the edges to come loose. I know some people don't worry about that, but if I'm going to put it on there, I want it to stay all the way stuck down, right? Now, if you're doing, you can use foam tape or, you know, that kind of thing, and have it popped up on your page, on your, and then you wouldn't have your edges down. That's okay. I've got some of that, but I didn't really want to, I don't know, I just didn't want to. Okay, so this you can put in the center, you can put it at an angle. The last one I cut out a little bit big and I had it at an angle. This one I think I'm just going to put in the, it doesn't look too much like a tombstone now, does it? Kind of weird. Sometimes things happen, you go, huh? Or, you know, I do. I'm like, wow. Okay. Oops. Huh. I had 2 of them. Okay. There. Hello, fall. Okay. Now, let's go do our inside piece. And I just thought it would be fun to put it on the inside as well as the outside. Yep. Like so. And like so. You know? It just makes it look finished. Or pretty, or whatever you want to call that. I like it. I hope you guys do. Yep. Adding a little bit of embellishment to something, it just makes it have a little bit more of a wow factor. It pops a bit, right? That's what we call it these days, right? Gives it some pop. Okay. I've got to clean my brayer soon. Okay. Now we'll get this on here. And it'll be ready. You can write your message in here on this. It's where I would write it. That way you've got. Now you want to make sure you don't get in your fold with your piece. Okay, that would be awkward. Okay, now we've got that. But yeah, write your little fun message here. You could put something over here if you want. I mean, hey, you could print this out again if you've got the digital and match it over here. Whatever you want to do. I mean, you know, it's whatever you want. And then put it in your envelope and send it off. It's not that heavy. It is lightweight cardstock. These are all cut out in lightweight cardstock for the fussy cut package. So, but it's not that heavy. I think it would go in regular mail, I think. I can't guarantee that because our mail system is a little wacky. We've got that. Let me put these out of the way. And again, if you wanted extras on the fussy cuts, let me know and I'll figure something out for that. We've got our envelopes and our note cards there. And we've got our bookmarks. Now, you can use these as tall tags. It absolutely would work for a tag in any vintage journal, vintage or fall, whatever you want to do with them. They're really great bookmarks. So we've got that, that, and that. We had a combo video using Julie's journal. We used this page and this page and this page. And where are those? I don't know now. Not that page. I don't know. It's a fun book to just peruse in this page. And we used the little envelopes from the kit. So there you go. Julie's journal. Full of fun, full of loads of fun, right? Okay. You guys let me know what you do. If you make them, put them on the Facebook group page. Then I can see. It will be sharing, right? Okay. I'll quit being silly now. You guys take care. Please like and subscribe. Pretty please. Thanks for watching. TTFN.